Welcome to Biker's Choice, your go-to channel for all things motorcycle. Today we're diving into the world of classic British engineering with the Triumph Bonneville T100. This iconic bike blends retro aesthetics with modern technology, making it a favorite among riders who appreciate style and substance. Let's explore what makes the Bonneville T100 a standout choice for motorcyclists. The legacy of Bonneville. The Triumph Bonneville has a rich history dating back to the 1950s, originally designed as a high-performance bike for the open road. The T100 model pays homage to this legacy, capturing the essence of the original Bonneville while incorporating contemporary advancements. With its name derived from the Bonneville Salt Flats, the T100 embodies speed, adventure, and a connection to the golden age of motorcycling. Timeless design. One of the first things that catch the eye about the Bonneville T100 is its stunning design. With its classic lines, chrome accents, and retro styling, the T100 is a true head-turner. The bike features a comfortable, classic seat, a minimalist speedometer, and elegant details that reflect its heritage. Available in a variety of colors, the T100 allows riders to express their individual style while remaining rooted in tradition. Performance and handling. Underneath its timeless exterior, the Bonneville T100 is powered by a lively 900cc parallel twin engine, delivering a perfect balance of power and torque. The bike offers a smooth ride, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising down the highway. With responsive handling and a lightweight chassis, the T100 is agile and easy to maneuver, making it suitable for both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts. Modern technology. While the T100 pays tribute to classic motorcycles, it's equipped with modern features that enhance the riding experience. The bike comes with ABS for improved safety as well as traction control to maintain stability in various conditions. Additionally, the T100 features a ride-by-wire throttle system, providing precise control and a smoother ride. These modern touches ensure that riders enjoy both nostalgia and practicality. Riding experience. The riding experience on the Bonneville T100 is nothing short of exhilarating. The upright seating position and comfortable ergonomics allow for loud rides without discomfort. The sound of the engine is a melodic roar that evokes the spirit of classic bikes, making every ride feel like an adventure. Whether you're commuting, exploring twisty roads, or taking a weekend trip, the T100 delivers a thrilling and enjoyable ride. Conclusion. In summary, the Triumph Bonneville T100 is a perfect blend of classic design and modern performance, making it a top choice for riders who appreciate heritage and innovation. At Biker's Choice, we celebrate the passion and excitement of motorcycling, and the T100 embodies that spirit beautifully. If you're looking for a bike that offers timeless style and exhilarating performance, the Bonneville T100 is certainly worth considering. Thank you for joining us at Biker's Choice. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more motorcycle insights. Keep the rubber side down and ride safe.